Alright, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. I don't know why you are currently going through this problem of registering your JTB TIN and not getting it out in less than 2 to 3 hours. There's no reason for you to go through the pain, the stress of registering your JTB TIN and not getting it out in time. Now, we've currently found a way to make sure that you get your JTB TIN in less than 24 hours after registration. Now, in the process of registering your JTB TIN, all you need to do is just go to the JTB TIN website and click either you want to do an individual TIN registration or the non-individual JTB registration, depending on the classification of registration you want to carry on. So the non-individual JTB registration is specifically for businesses, like a business name, a company, and a corporate trustee, while the individual JTB TIN registration is specifically for a person, right? So I can decide to register myself or my TIN. But the point or the issue is always that after registration has been done, you get a tracking ID or tracking code or whatever the code is sent into your email. But after that time, you wait for a period of time and you don't get the JTB TIN that you need. And we don't know why this issue happens, but we've found a way to help fast track the JTB TIN processes. In fact, one of the things we do is that we offer two different services. We can help you fast track the JTB TIN, or we just help you register the JTB TIN from scratch. So we will make sure that you get it within 24 hours. In fact, most of our clients, which I'll be showing you different testimonials over time, have been getting their JTB TIN under 30 minutes, 1 hour, some 5 minutes, some under 2 hours. Their JTB TIN is ready, delivered to their doorstep. When I say doorstep, I mean their DM, right? So JTB TIN with their certificate, JTB TIN certificate, sent directly to their DM without any hassle. We process tens of TINs daily. Why is yours not there? All you need to do is just join the group in the description below. There's a link I'll be putting there. So this is a community of people who carry out TIN registration or who want to fast track their TIN. Once you join the group, all you need to do is either you have registered the TIN before or not, you just make sure you join the group and then you chat up the admin and send the details to the admin. Now, the details you are sending to the admin will depend on the kind of registration you want to do or the kind of TIN you want to register, right? So either you want to do a JTB TIN or an FIRS TIN. If you want to do a JTB TIN, if you want to do a JTB individual TIN rather, or JTB non-individual TIN. So non-individual TIN, there are specific details which you see on the group that you need to send to the admin directly, or there are details for the non-individual JTB TIN which you need to send to the admin. Now, for those of you that are already registered and just want to fast track, we don't need anything extra from you. Just send your tracking ID, and within the shortest period of time, I can guarantee in less than 2 hours. In fact, let's be magnanimous, less than 24 hours. Within 24 hours, your TIN will get into your email, and we will also send it to your DM as well. So there's no need to waste time getting those bank accounts open, getting those loan that you've been desiring to get, right? So no need to waste any time at all. Simply just click on the link in the description, join the WhatsApp group link, and look at all the beautiful testimonies that are currently flying on the screen, and you would know that we deliver without any hassle. I don't need to beg you anymore, right? So join the group right now, and then let's get it done. My name is Akinbola Ezekiel, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Thank you. Peace out.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. If we tell you that we're processing JTB TIN under 24 hours and even under 1 hour, 2 hours, you go think in a lie, abi? This is we've seen people that are processing their TINs for 3 months. Look at that former post screenshot, and when they came to us under 1 hour, 2 hours, we were able to get their JTB TIN out for them. Some of them under 2 hours, some of them 30 minutes, some of them immediately they send the tracking code to us, we're able to get it out for them, right? So there's no need to waste time with your TIN number anymore. Just reach out to the link in the description, WhatsApp group link, join the group link, and then reach out to the admin, make payment, and then the TIN will be fast tracked immediately. But sometimes we don't have to send your TIN to you. You can get it in your email, right? So I don't know why you have to sleep on this. You don't have to sleep on this. Just go ahead and send your TIN number to the request ID to us, and we're going to help you get the TIN out in no time. We've done this for hundreds of clients, almost hundreds there. We've done a lot of TIN processed without any unnecessary delay. Once we delay, you know that okay, something is wrong with
JTB
portal, and that's why the thing is not coming out. But once the portal is active, we will surely deliver. Click on the description link now.